on a pretty dress. Button the dress so it won't slide. Wear a jacket to resist the coldness. Zip up the jacket. Put on socks to protect the feet. Tap here to put on this shoe first. Well dressed! You're awesome! Wear a jacket to resist the coldness. Zip up the jacket. Put on trousers too. Quick! Pull the trousers up. Put on socks to protect the feet. Which shoe to choose? Tap here to well dressed! Learn to do it yourself. Get dressed nice and well. The little boy wants to use the bathroom. Wipe with toilet paper after pooping. Flush the toilet after using the bathroom. Don't forget to wash your hands too. Then, dry your hands with a towel. The little girl wants to use the bathroom. Learn to do it yourself. Go potty when nature calls.